From mobile DJs to nightclubs to large arenas and concert venues, fog machines give light beams a boost. The mechanism ensures that the fog fluid evaporates and fog escapes the device. These machines are primarily used when you want to generate the amplification of light effects. Whatever your reason is to buy one, it is never easy to find the best fog machine. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buying links. Our list begins with the AGPTEK fog machine. This fog machine's power is 500 watts. The output power reaches around 2000 CFM between 2 and 3 meters distance, and the duration of time is 30 to 40 seconds. You can use this smoke machine without any scruples because it doesn't produce any toxic gas. It has two different wireless remote controls. One is that you could turn on and turn off the fog machine for easy use, and the other is equipped with LED light control buttons, which is convenient for you to switch colors freely. It is made from some premium grade materials, iron and aluminum metals, which is tough enough for better heat dissipation and durable, sufficient for longer service life. On the other hand, due to an advanced electronic constant temperature system and specialized pipeline technology, this fog machine with light can save 20% energy compared with other traditional smoke machines on the market. Next up on the list, we have the Sunolga Halloween fog machine. It is built from aluminum for better heat dissipation to ensure durability and a long lifespan. This machine is equipped with a large capacity tank of 350 milliliters, and the machine provides continuous and consistent output. With a 500 watt power supply, it could produce 2,000 cubic feet per minute smoke to 2 to 3 meters distance, and the time duration is about 30 to 40 seconds. It offers 6 color-changing LED lights that create fantastic, dazzling light effects for corporate events, concerts, and stages with 7 vibrant colors. Additionally, it can save 20% energy compared to the traditional smoke machine and quickly warms up after about 3 to 5 minutes. Up next on the list, we have the ADJ VOLCANO. It is a 750 watt professional vertical fog machine that mixes color into the fog from 6 times 3 watt RGB LEDs. Its electronic thermosensing (ETS) technology, special heating element design uses an oil-type transmission pipeline system to minimize the possibility of clogging. Its design includes an oil-based heater that prevents clogging and an Italian pump system that delivers up to 8,000 cubic feet per minute. Included with the VOLCANO is an 8-button wireless remote that gives you control of different fog and LED color combinations and enables you to create lighting effects such as strobing. The next product on the list is the Tengchang fog smoke machine. This fog smoke machine is a powerful new fogger with an outboard fog switch, ideal for any medium-duty application. Button-activated fog means you can control the amount of fog in your party room. It creates a safe water-based fog, and the 1500 watt uses the latest Alnico pipe technique, heater not accessible to jam. The 8 LEDs light up during operation and change the color automatically, which cannot be controlled by DMX controller. Plus, this portable fog master is excellent for bands, DJs, clubs, or anyone else who wants a reliable, affordable fogger. Another advantage is that its fuel tank scale allows the fluid level to be seen clearly, while its water-based components won't leave any residue behind. Meet up the all-new 1x1 Halloween fog machine. This machine outputs 2,000 cubic feet per minute at 6.5 to 10 feet distance to create a spooky, mysterious atmosphere for holidays and parties. Add fog juice/fluid, turn on the fog machine, and control it using the simple wired remote control. It also contains a visual fluid meter. This product is CE, ROHS, and ETL certified for safety and comes with a 300 milliliter tank for long-lasting, non-toxic fog production. Plus, aluminum is built for better heat dissipation to ensure durability and a long product lifespan. Last on the video, but at the top of our list, we have the American DJ Fog Fury 1000 Mark II. It is a 700 watt compact high output fog machine with a unique heating element design that uses an oil type transmission throughout the pipeline to prevent clogging and is equipped with a high performance pump system for optimum output. This fog machine features a visible fog fluid indicator built into the rear of the unit and an LED heating indicator system that changes color depending on the heater state. The unit produces 4,000 cubic feet of fog per minute and has a built-in internal tank with a 0.9 liter capacity, and it requires a 4-minute warm-up time. Furthermore, it uses high-quality water-based fog fluid only, and ships with a 9-foot wired remote control. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.